You ever have one of those days where you're stressed, tired, maybe a little overwhelmed, and suddenly you're adding things to your cart you didn't even plan to buy? Like, you open your phone to check one thing, and 10 minutes later you've spent $47 on stuff you didn't need. Yeah, same. And in the moment, it feels small, harmless even. But here's the thing. That small stress spending habit, it's quietly draining thousands of dollars from your future. We're breaking this down into 5 simple parts so you can actually understand what's happening, why it's costing you money, and how to stop it immediately. Part 1. The real problem. Psychology plus money. Look, most people think they have a money problem. They don't. They have a stress response problem that shows up in their finances. Here's what most people don't realize. When you're stressed, your brain shifts into short-term reward mode. Translation, you stop caring about your future and start chasing anything that gives you relief right now. That's why you order food instead of cooking. You buy things you didn't plan. You say, I deserve this. And it adds up fast. Let's do some quick math. If you stress spend just $15 a day, that's $450 a month. That's $5,400 a year. And over 10 years, that's $54,000 for stress relief. Part 2. Why this is more serious than you think. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but it's just small purchases. It's not that serious. Yeah, it is. Because it's not about the amount. It's about the pattern. Spending when stressed trains your brain to believe feeling bad equals spend money. And once that loop is built, it becomes automatic, like a reflex.
Part 3. The 3 money rules. So instead of trying to use more discipline, which almost never works long term, you need simple rules that interrupt the pattern. Rule number 1. The 5-minute pause rule. Before any unplanned purchase, you wait 5 minutes. That's it. Because this is where it gets really interesting. That urge you feel to buy something, it usually peaks and fades within a few minutes. If you don't act on it, it passes. And suddenly, you don't even want the thing anymore. Rule number 2. Check your balance first. This one is uncomfortable, but it works. Before you spend anything, check your actual bank balance. Because here's what most people don't realize. Stress spending thrives on disconnection. But the moment you see your real numbers, it forces clarity. Rule number 3. Replace, don't remove. You can't just remove stress spending. You have to replace it. Your brain still wants relief, so give it a zero-cost alternative. Go for a short walk. Listen to music. Step away for a few minutes. Same relief, without the cost. Part 4. Real-life example. I had a friend who used to order food almost every time he felt stressed. Not because he was hungry, but because it made him feel better. $20 here, $25 there. By the end of the month, over $600 gone. When he started using just the 5-minute pause rule, something changed. He realized he didn't actually want the food. He just wanted the feeling. Within 2 months, he cut that spending in half. Part 5. The bigger truth. Here's the truth. You don't build wealth by being perfect. You build wealth by interrupting bad patterns. And stress spending is one of the most expensive patterns people have, because it's invisible. It feels justified, and it happens often. So next time you feel that urge to spend when you're stressed, don't fight it. Just apply the rules. Pause for 5 minutes. Check your balance. Replace the habit. Because small changes like this, they don't just save you money, they give you control. And control is what actually builds wealth. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and stick around for more.